Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Max Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.4 third sum. Let's see the question. Find the center of a circle passing through the points. So we need to find the center of a circle which we don't know. Passing through the points 6, minus 6. It is on the circumference of the circle. So 3, minus 7. 3, 3. It can be anywhere in the circumference of a circle. So I'm just writing randomly. So we want to find the center which is x, y. These if I join this point, we know that these are the radius and they are all equal because from center to a circumference is the radius, and we know that in a circle all the radius are equal. So OA equal to OB equal to OC. So all the radius are equal. Just we are going to find the distance formula because we know that radius are equal. We want to find the distance of all the thing, that is length of the radius. So here we need to use distance formula. So distance formula is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. As xy is the center, therefore OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to radius. We are all equal. Now we'll go with all the distance. So distance of OA first. Distance of OA equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. You can take this to be x2 y2 so that it will be easy for you to x1 y1, it will be easy for you to handle. So 6 minus 6 the whole square plus minus 6 minus y the whole square. This is nothing but a minus b whole square formula. We need to use it here. So a square is 36 plus b square is x square minus 2 into 6 into x. Here if there are two negative sign, we need to use a plus b the whole square formula. Remember that if there are two negative signs, just go with a plus b whole square formula. No need of confusion of substituting the minus sign. Just go with the formula of a plus b the whole square, that is 6 square plus y square plus 2 into 6 into y. Here solve the like terms. This becomes 36 plus 36 becomes 72 plus x square plus y square minus here 6 2s are 12x plus 12y. So these are OA value. Same way we need to find OB value now. For OB, root of, same way we are going to substitute 3 minus x the whole square minus 7 minus y the whole square. If I solve this here, it becomes a minus b whole square formula. It's not just squaring 3 square and x square. No, if you can't solve it in the bracket, we need to substitute only the identity. Here it becomes 9 plus x square. 3 2s are 6 into x will become 6. Here the same way it is minus, so we are going to use the a plus b whole square formula, that is plus 49 plus y square. 7 2s are 14 plus 14y. Here you have a like term here, so you can solve this too. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 14y. Here solving this 2 becomes 58. Now we have got OB. Now we will find OC. OC equal to root of 3 minus x the whole square plus 3 minus y the whole square. Here a minus b whole square formula in both the cases. So 9 plus 6x plus 6 square plus 9, sorry here minus 6y plus y square. If I solve the like terms, I get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 9 2s are 18. So we have got OC. We know that OA equal to OB. We are going to equate everything. So OA equal to OB. Equating OA and OB will get you can do squaring both sides to take the root. So OA equal to OB. Now squaring both sides, you can take the root. The root will go off and it will be 72 plus x square plus y square minus 12x plus 12y is equal to OB is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 14y plus 58. Here x square y square gets cancelled because of equal to. Bring everything to one side, that is x y one side and the constant number one side. If I bring x to this side, it becomes minus 6x. Because it is in negative sign, the greater number sign, it becomes minus 12x plus 6x, which is minus 6x. Here if I bring 14 to this side, it becomes minus 2y, which is equal to 58 minus 72. The equation will become minus 6x minus 2y equal to 14. Let the equation be there. We'll solve with OB and OC. So equating OB equal to OC, we get same way squaring both sides, the root goes off. So we can solve it. It becomes x square plus y square minus 6x plus 14y plus 58 is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 18. Here x square y square and minus 6x gets cancelled because of the equal to, the same sign will go off. Now if I bring 16 to this side, it becomes 20y. So 20y is equal to 18 minus 58 becomes minus 40 y by 20. So multiply, y is in multiply, I am bringing to this side, it comes as a divide. So it get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled and becomes minus 2. So I got y to be minus 2. If I substitute it here, y, now it is minus 14 here, minus 6x minus 2y equal to minus 14. I am substituting y value here, minus 2. By multiplying, I get plus 4. Bringing this plus 4 here, it becomes minus 4. So adding, it becomes minus 18. Now minus minus will become plus, it becomes minus 18. Here I am bringing minus 6 to this side, it is in multiply, it comes as a divide. Now you can cancel this, minus minus get cancelled. 6 3s are 18. So your x value is 3 and y value is minus 2. So the center will be, therefore the center is 3 comma minus 2, x value and then the y value. If you write y value in the first, it will be wrong, x and then the y. So 3 comma minus 2 is the answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.